What's up, creators? Today I'm seriously hyped to share something that's exploding across social media right now. AI POV videos, pulling in millions of views in just a few days. And the best part? You don't need crazy editing skills. Everything I'll show you today uses tools that let you create for free. Before we dive in, here's why this matters. POV-style videos are absolutely dominating the internet. But guess what? Hardly anyone is taking advantage of them on YouTube Shorts. That means there's a huge opportunity waiting for you to grab. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create these viral POV clips, step by step. And trust me, it's way easier than it looks. I'll even hook you up with some of the best prompts you can start using right away to generate unique viral POV content. Plus, stick around because I'll be sharing some secret pro tips to help you absolutely maximize this niche. Seriously, don't miss a second of this if you want to crush it. Here's the game plan. I'll break it all down into simple steps so you can follow along easily. I'm going to show you the exact method that gets crazy good results every time. By the way, I dropped a link in the description with the exact prompts you'll need to recreate if you want POV-style video. And even better, at the end, I'll teach you how to spin those prompts into unlimited new ideas, so you'll never run out of fresh content. Alright, first things first. Copy your first prompt and let's head over to Leonardo AI. One of the best tools for crafting high-quality, storytelling-rich images. Wait for it to load up. And here's the home screen. Lots of changes have happened, in case you noticed any flashy things. LOL, now it is advisable to change the model to Phoenix 1.0. Set your custom aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical video since we are using it for shorts. Now paste the prompt and hit generate. Might take a bit of time, but the key is to be patient. Wow, this looked good. The first image is done. Leonardo gives you free tokens daily, so feel free to play around. You can try other image generation AI, but for me, I just love using Leonardo AI. Much more transparent. Now do the same for rest of the prompts. Copy from Google Doc and paste it on Leonardo. Hit generate and click on download. For the last generate, you already know the drill. We are just going to fasten things up right now. Same step by copying and pasting on Leonardo. Step 2. Let's bring it to life. Animation. Now go on the Hailuo website. Using Google, click on the first link, and here's the home screen with you, 100 free credits. If you have not registered before, check the link in the description below. There are tons of things you can do with this Hailuo AI. Now, before we start our video generation, we need a prompt to bring our image to life, and you know the drill. We be using the help of ChatGPT. Now I have an instruction prompt that we are going to give ChatGPT to help generate the prompt. Just copy and head back to GPT. Now we are going to click on the plus button just next to the search and upload the image we generated from Leonardo AI. Now paste the instruction prompt and click on the up arrow button. Now ChatGPT is going to analyze the image and generate a prompt for our image to video generation. And here it is. Just copy the prompt and head over to Hailuo AI. And we are just going to do the same thing to Hailuo by uploading the images and paste in the prompts we generated from GPT and hit on Create button E. Wait for a bit and it's processing. Boom, here you have it. Our first video for the tutorial. I already have other video I did for testing. Now we're going to do the same for rest of the images. So you already know the drill. Head to GPT, upload your images and put in the prompts and hit on the Create button after getting the prompt. Just come back to Hailuo and do your thing. Cool, right? Loving this videos already. Now do the same for the last image, and I'm just going to fasting things up. That beautiful still image into something that moves and breathes. Because let's be honest, static pictures? Meh. Animation is where your scene comes alive. Step 3. Add atmosphere with sound design. Let's bring the scene to life with sound. Now it's time to make your visuals feel real, and that means adding audio that truly elevates the atmosphere. For this POV videos, we want something windy and immersive. Think airy choir vocals, gentle gusts of wind, and maybe even the soft toll of a distant bird sings. Head over to Pixabay, it's completely free, and click Music and Seeker of a Wild Wind, which we will be using for our background. There it is. Just click on Download. Next, let's layer in some sound effects. Since this video opens with someone in the forest, try searching for a subtle bird sound. Add in gentle magic spell sound. a holy choir hum, or any ambient FX that helps build that serene moment. Sound design equals serious upgrade. Step 4, final touch. Pulling it all together in CapCut. All right, we've got all our animated visuals and sound. Now it's time to piece everything together into a finished video using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut and importing all the files you've created: images, animations, music, and sound effects. Make sure your project is set to a 9:16 aspect ratio. Perfect for mobile viewing on YouTube Shorts, Reels. Now, drag your clips into the timeline in the order you planned. This is where the story starts to take shape. Once your visuals are lined up, drop in the audio tracks right where they belong. You can also experiment with motion. For static shots, a gentle zoom-in effect can add some extra depth and keep your video dynamic. Optional. When you're happy with everything, go ahead and export in HD or 2K resolution for the best quality. And boom, your POV video is ready to share with the world. Looking good? Let me know in the comments if you're feeling it too.
Whispers in the twilight haze, finding magic in the frame. Ride the wild wind with me, feel alive and break free. Hearts united, can't you see?
Views are great, but real success comes from turning those views into income. Here's how to play it smart. Post consistently. 2 videos a day gets easier with a solid workflow. Focus on high engagement, advertiser-friendly niches like futuristic tech, mythical adventures, or survival POVs. They hook viewers emotionally and keep them watching. Need fresh ideas? Use ChatGPT to generate endless prompts tailored to your style. Once shorts gain traction, expand them into longer content to boost watch time and revenue. Repurpose your AI visuals into merch, from prints to digital art, and turn creativity into cash. Keep experimenting with POV angles, track trends, and engage your audience actively. Optimize every detail. Titles, thumbnails, tags, they all count. Success favors the consistent and creative. The earlier you start, the better your chances to stand out before the space gets crowded. Want more growth strategies? Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay ahead of the curve. Now go build something amazing.